G'day folks, this video was going to be about cutting a multi-start thread, and it's turned out to be a how to make a mess of a multi-start thread. Here we're just taking the diameter down from 1 inch to 24 millimeters. Now for some of the magic blue stuff so we can see what's happening. This is a 2-pitch 3-start thread, so a 6mm lead, and this is the first cut shown at 0.25 speed, and if you have a look, it does something very strange towards the end of the cut. Now it gets to about here and it's almost like it stops advancing the tool. It just starts cutting a circle, as in it's not moving at the right pitch. And you can see the tool is still in there. It's virtually touched all the way along, so it's not like it's withdrawn. It doesn't withdraw until later. See, it's all the way there, still touching the diameter, so it hasn't retracted. It's just not cutting at the right pitch. I've sped these retracts up, but I've left the actual machining slow, so maybe someone can give me some idea what's going on. I mean, it looks as though my Z is running out of puff and can't keep up and just gives up halfway towards the end of the thread. I think I've managed to keep all these clips in the right order. I've tried to speed them up when they're doing the rapids and leave them slow when it's doing the actual cutting. Well, here I've actually left it at the higher speed. Just starting the 3rd thread. You see it cuts all the way along, it's just not at the right speed as it gets towards the end of the thread. So I don't know. I am very confused. Obviously this week I have some work to do. Try and work out, maybe I'll cut a 2-pitch 2-start thread or something, because this is a 3. I was just trying to get as much helix angle on it as I could. Just part this off and I'll give you a look at the finished product, or unfinished product as it is really. Here you go, looking at the end of the thread. I think you can see that there's 3 starts there. There's 3 blue bits, so that's the start of 3 threads. Right, the top one is the first part I made, and the other one is the last part I made. You can see I increased the thread relief by some 3 or 4 millimeters. I was able to make the thread finish further along, but it really didn't help much. Just looking at this video again before I uploaded it, and it struck me that maybe a pitch or a lead of 6 is so far beyond the expectations of this software that it's just having a bit of a conniption and doesn't quite know what to do with it. So I'll be trying during the week to see if I can make some sense of all this. Thank you for watching.